In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into the wonderful world of sorting in Microsoft Excel. Sorting is an essential skill for organizing your data, whether you are a student, professional, or just an Excel enthusiast. By the end of this tutorial, you will be a sorting pro. So let's get started. First open your Excel sheet and your data is ready, and here I am using data with the employee's ID, customer name, department, state, and the salary, and I want to sort this one, or I start the sorting out from the customer name. So what I am gonna do, I will start here the equal, then writing here the sort functions, this one. Then first argument is you say the array, so I am gonna use this array, select the array, then I can just close it with the parenthesis, then hit on the OK, and here we got the result and the customer name. Now it's ascending order and give us the sorted out. Now I want to sort by the department wise. How can I do that? Just I can use here and use the comma, then use the sort index here. We have the in our selected range the 4 column 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I want to use the department, and department is the 2 column. I am gonna use here the 2. Then the next argument, I want to use it as an ascending, and for this I use the 1, then close it, hit on the OK, and here we got the result and we got this one, the ascending wise and department wise. Now if you want to sort your data in here, you can easily sort out by the like your salary. Just you need to change here the row or sort index. Then if I use here the 4, then use here the -1, then hit on the OK. Then here we got it, and this is also the descending order, and we sorted out as with the salary wise. So that's you have it, sorting in Excel in a powerful tools to help you organize your data effectively, whether it's basic sorting, custom sorting, or advanced option. Excel has got you covered. Experiment with these techniques and find the best way to sort your data for your specific needs. Thank you for watching.